At SIS Medan, we believe education is more than academics. It is about preparing our students with the skills they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Future-ready skills are global competencies such as communication, adaptability, and problem-solving. These are the abilities that empower our students to work with others, to think creatively, and to face challenges with confidence. Our curriculum through Cambridge and the International Baccalaureate is designed to nurture these outcomes. Students learn how to ask questions, analyze information, and present their ideas clearly. They also experience collaborative projects that help them learn how to adapt, innovate, and lead. Our teachers guide students every step of the way, and our non-teaching staff, who are also trained with the same care and commitment, play a vital role in creating a safe and supportive environment. Together, every child has the encouragement and resources needed to grow with confidence. Whether it is a science experiment, a group presentation, or a community project, our students practice future-ready skills every day. They are not only learning knowledge, they are applying it to real situations and solving real problems. At SIS Medan, our goal is simple: to prepare students to become capable, confident, and compassionate global citizens. Because when students are equipped with communication, adaptability, and problem solving, they are ready for the future.